Hey y'all, one of my subscribers was curious about the matches that I got in the battle box the other day, and I am too. His name is, his channel name is Morningwood. I will link him in the description. He has a very awesome channel. Loves cooking outdoors, loves his pie irons, which I don't blame him. Everything that comes out of his pie iron looks awesome. He does canteen cups. He does all kinds of stuff. He has a great channel. But I'll link you in the description. And I already took the top off. But look at these matches. These things look like, you know, your 4th of July punks for lighting your fireworks with. They're just absolutely huge. But I'm going to put the match down. Oh, and by the way, got a jar of water. Got a plate of dirt. I will put the cap back on this because the striker is on the bottom. And I'll try to light this one-handed. And this particular pack comes with extra strikers, which are in this plastic bag, which I just kind of shoved up into the top here. But yeah, here we go. I mean, if Febreze doesn't do it for you, if you're, you know, take a massive nasty dookie when our company's around, well, this will get rid of that smell for sure, or make it worse, or blow up your house. I don't know.
What the hell? No, 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 no!
Here we go. Trying this one-handed. It's not working out so good. Oh, that was a good pop. Alright, in the dirt. It don't care. Whew, still going. In the water. Whew, still don't care. Yep. It's done now. Smells like the 4th of July in here. And those matches burn hot enough to just blast right through the wood. Because there's the rest of it right here. Oh, the rest of that just kind of broke off. So yeah, go check out Morningwood's channel. He does some pretty awesome stuff, and holy crap, the smell of sulfur in here is bad. Whew. Anyways, y'all take care, stay safe, and have a great night.